Hey Steve, here's the BDM machine we've been talking about. We have it running under 220 three-phase power right now. Looks like it'll very easily do your package. Of course, we have a little reference for it right here, just to orient you on how it works. Before I turn it on, I just want you to see how it's going to operate. And as you see, you're looking at the in-feed conveyor right here. In this case, because they were doing a very small cosmetic package, which I'm going to get one over here for you, is a small lipstick. It actually fit in this way, and actually right now it's still set up. This package will actually travel through the machine. I'll show you that later. You can see under here there's a little accordion style device, and if you look over here, see how much this conveyor will actually move out to the left via the control you see right here, and you see the slotting in the deck. So just to give you an idea, the right side of the conveyor would remain stationary. Now, let me just show you. I say we talked about your package being about 8 inches wide. You know, that's going to be more than enough for that package right there. Oh no, this is, you know, I'm sorry, I'm making a mistake. That's your finished package. If your packages are about 3, obviously they're going to go in this way with the Jazz logo facing us. And just a couple of things real quickly. This is an actual device which is turning on the conveyor. You see right there, the things start turning, and the proximity sensor senses the package. We're not sure what the one in front is doing. We think it may be some type of counter, but we don't see any counter on here, so that's something we have to figure out what it's supposed to be doing once we trace it back. But obviously for purposes of this demonstration, that's not necessary. And of course it's on a timer, and once it doesn't see a package anymore, it'll stop. Alright, from this station, the boxes are going to be fed in with the Jazz logo facing to my right. Now you'll see there is a lift table right here, and I'm going to demonstrate this for you in a minute. You'd have 1 package, 2, 3, and 4. The lift table would rise, this pusher come forward. Obviously adjustments will have to be made, new parts will have to be made here and here. This seems to only be a guide, it's stationary. It's going to have to be lifted or raised out of the way. You know, it's mounted off here. And then once this pusher then pushes the pack of 4 across, this is the back of the pusher to push through the film curtain. So you'd have a pack of 4, and then a pack of 4, and then this would push through. Let me demonstrate that in one moment. And then as we come around back to the front of the machine, sealing is right here. There's a little tiny small sealing anvil in here. That's going to have to be changed. It's only about 3 inches across. You travel down through the folders right here into the heaters in there. You'll see they're about 5 inches tall. The little hole you're looking at is the actual heater, cartridge heater at the end of the plate. Of course, you need all new folders. And once again, on this side of the machine, one side of the conveyor, which is the conveyor on your right, the conveyor wall stays stationary, while the left side opens up, and you can see the threaded rod in there again, slotting in the deck. This opens up, and at this point, like we're already aware, your package is almost 8 inches wide. And I'm just going to fumble here to pull out a tape measure for you. You see, we're going to have more now. Notice we have 8 inches. Let me make sure you can see that okay. On the right side of the conveyor, and if you look, we come all the way out, we got plenty of room, be well beyond that. Let me just cycle the machine for you for a second. Of course, here in the control panel, you can see everything's operating. We're powered up right now. And so make sure that package isn't in there. Okay. Now let me run around this side so you can see it. What's happening? The feed rate is going to have to be controlled to put 4 in. We then push across. This then pushes across the waiting package. The timing is going to have to be changed so that this does 2 pushes for one of this. Right now it's set to do 1 group. If you want, you're welcome to check with PRB. You come around this side again so you can get another look at it. I just have to hang on to this so we can actually open this guard up while we're moving. And I just have to hang on to it so you can see how everything is working there. You can see clearly through there. Like I said, it's set to do 1 push to 1, but that can be changed since it's mechanically driven. Okay, once the package is finished, comes through, it's passed through the film curtain. These right here are the little tuckers to move the edge of the cellophane inside the folders. Come down this, and you'll notice it uses a positive pusher to travel out. But like I said, once again, plenty of room right here to adjust it back. Let me see if we can get this to work. This is the actual original package it was running. Let me see, there we go. I don't know if you got a chance to see that. And here's the package exiting. Of course, there's no film on it. Let's see if it even makes it. And you'll notice that the sealers are oscillating in a motion to come in. And obviously at this point we would need another package to pull that out. Let me just show you that one more time. Oh, I hope you saw that. Wish I had a couple of these to show you. Okay, hope that gives you a good idea. The machine seems to be in good condition. We don't see any problems with it. Besides, obviously, there's something rubbing over here. But, you know, commonplace with the used machine. We're just concerned with its operation ability. I'm going to put this up on YouTube so you can get a good look at it. So I'm going to show you the motion one more time. A little duration to watch it because it does take a minute to wrap your head around it sometimes. Okay, call me as soon as you receive this and we'll discuss it at length. Thanks.